What's up guys, GNCRC back once again with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Gladiator. So I bought several parts. I'm going to show you some of the things I have, and I just hadn't had time to get around to this. So first thing I bought was wheel weights. These are by Treal. I have these on my belly dragger, and I like them. I think they're like 12 grams each, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Next, I have wheels. I went with powerhobby, and I did go with like the, I guess, bronze color wheels. I think that'll be pretty good looking on here. It's gonna be a little bit different. I think everybody else is going like with a black or a silver. So I chose to go with these. These are the same style I have on my belly dragger also. Tires, guys. Well, I got two different sets of tires, and I'm probably gonna end up with three. I really like the Patagonias, which I have on my other Jeep. I also have a set of these, which are the KR3s. And I really like these. These are on my belly dragger also. But I've been wanting a set of these for a while, guys. These are the Thornburgs. Really like that aggressive looking tread, so I ended up going with a set of these too. I'm not really sure which one I'm gonna do in here. I think I'm gonna go with the KR3s though. I really like the KR3s, and I think that'll kind of complete the look of this Jeep. Weights, which are gonna be really important for this particular build. Some shocks. These are just a cheap set of shocks. May not look bad underneath there. I also have the link for the steering servo in that same color. These are courtesy of my buddy that builds all those ones that has all the metals on them. So he gave me this. He gave me several different things. Gave away a bunch of stuff, and I'm keeping these for myself for this particular one. Heat sink. Been printing a few parts, guys. I have a roof rack. And then these are the mounts. These were on Thingiverse. So I thought that'll kind of complete the look. Hadn't decided which way I want to go with this thing, but I'm pretty sure if I don't take anything else off, I'm gonna definitely take off the tent. I got a lot of work to do to this thing. I don't know how far I'm gonna go with it, but I do have a lot of things planned for it. If you like this content and you like this channel, if you would, please hit that like button for me. And also, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. This is what I came up with. We got the wheels on. I went ahead and did the KR3s. Put the rack on. And I also did the heat sink. Because I'm running this stock motor for the time being, I'm not going to change the motor as of now. I'm trying to wait on the Komodo Mini, I think is what it's called. But you guys also know we're going to be changing this out pretty soon. I still hadn't driven this thing. The battery is still in the same spot it was when I bought it brand new. So far, that's what's been done. I really love the way these wheels look. I think it came out really nice. I love the stance. I want to widen this thing up. So I think that's going to be a whole lot better than stock. Still got to do something with this ugly bumper, guys. Just don't know which one I want to go with. We're going to change the servo out pretty soon also. I did print some, what do you call those things? The sliders. But I think they're based on the shorter chassis. So I guess they would help, but I need to scale them up. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and stick some on here. I also did I added those also. What do you call those? The spacers by Treal. Still thinking about taking the tent off. Still haven't made my mind up yet though, but still thinking about taking it off. Only thing I didn't like about these wheels was the actual hex. Well, it's not actually a hex. It kind of sticks in there. I don't like that color, so I might paint them black. I don't know. I think I have some silver ones from one of my other builds. I want to do some scale accessories up top, possibly. I want something that's real light, so if you guys know anything you can recommend, please let me know. and it flexes okay. The rear is not as much as I would like. That's 3 tires. That's 3 of the stock tires. And the front is up. And then on the front, all 3 tires are down. Let me know what you guys think. Also, I'm going to have a ton of photos, before and after photos, on Instagram. Make sure you go to my Instagram. The link is in the link tree in the description, so you can go on and check that out. I got everything that I'm affiliated with. I'm doing that also just to keep a log of how much weight I added to this thing. But if you go on Instagram, you will be able to see those pictures. I'll be uploading those photos pretty soon. From time to time, I'm not going to upload them all at once because I did take a whole bunch of photos. So make sure you go there and check that out. I don't know what they were thinking with this bumper. This bumper is, man. And it comes down like at an angle. But that has definitely got to be changed. I'm not sure if I'm going to go with that style, or am I going to just do the style where it just kind of comes up and go across. Tell me what you guys think. This rack is 3 pieces. It's on Thingiverse. So it's the rack itself, and then you have these mounts. And with this mount, you have screw holes. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you got 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side. So what I did, I used some of the stock screws. I don't know if you guys can see that screw, but I got 1 here and 1 here. I didn't think we needed it in the middle. Same way on that other side. I think that came out pretty good. And I'm hoping with these wider wheels, like I said earlier, it just doesn't roll as much as it tend to roll without that. Now, I'm just basing it on some of the ones that I have seen driving. And that's what I saw at my shop and what I'm seeing on YouTube also. We're going to do the electronic swap before I drive it. We're going to do, I don't know. We're going to definitely do a brushless motor, but I don't want to go with the old Komodo because I just don't want that weight up high. And it may not even hurt it that much on here because of the length of the chassis. I don't know, but I mean, it's still going to put weight up high. And I would love to keep everything down low like it is now. Magnet mounts are working perfect. No problems. You guys tell me what you think. What do you think about it? Leave some comments. I'm really feeling it. Once I get rid of this bumper, it's going to look a whole lot better because I want more of a scale type look. And I am also thinking about painting the body. I have a color in mind that's going to go real well with these wheels. Another reason why, and if you guys haven't seen my older videos, the reason why I really like these wheels is because this style wheels, the non-beadlock wheels, I can just pop a tire on, you know, take one off, put another one on. If these aren't working for me, slide them off, put another set on. And as I stated earlier in another video, these don't put out enough torque to spin the wheel on spin the tire on the wheel. I thought about putting double barrels on here because once this thing get to a certain spot and then hang up, if the suspension doesn't come down far enough, it's not gonna give it enough travel. So I'm thinking about doing double barrels, but I may just do like I think the 43 millimeters. I don't think they're quite as long as the double barrels. But so far, I'm loving this thing. I think it's beautiful. I think it's gonna be a real good scale crawler versus a full-blown rock crawler. But again, I don't know because I hadn't taken it out there yet. As soon as I take it out there, I will know. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, this is GNC RC.